Students, how are you? I hope you are going with the notes, right? Today we are starting a very new topic, lesson number 2 under the Pol Science, that is political science. Now see here, class 11, I do repeat, political science, chapter number 2, rights in the Indian constitutions. You have already seen in the introduction. Today this chapter also I am just making you intro now and followed by the notes, right? So what are the rights in the Indian constitution? You know, Indian constitution, before in the last I have told you how it has been drafted, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairperson, right? He was the man who fought for the Indian constitution. Now, fundamental rights, there are 6 fundamental rights in Indian constitution, and in these 6 fundamental rights we are going to discuss this one. And you can see number 1, it says right to equality. Right to equality. What is right to equality? That means right to equality means we are equal before the law. Law means the regulations where we stand, that is the court, right? I told you before we are having 3 types of court: Supreme Court, followed by High Court, and the District Court. The rights are there, and in that court or anything in the society, religion, race, casteism, sex, male, female, any gender, and the place of birth, right? These all forms, and there is no seniority or priority complex to be given for anyone. Again, I make you understand that person in India born have freedom to choose any religion. We may come under any caste, right? Sex, you know very well, maybe male or female, or you are born in Punjab, you are born in Jammu Kashmir, you are born in some, that doesn't mean that you don't have right to get the job, right? In previously, when we have Article 370, Jammu Kashmir was the state where they have limitations, right? The people cannot work over there except the people who belong to the Jammu Kashmir. So this was removed by our honorable Prime Minister, taking the steps and make it, and this is passed in the law. All the MPs in the majority have make it, and this has been removed. Article 370, that means free giving the ration, the things which are giving in the subsidy has been given. So we have equal justice related to the religion, related to the race, related to the caste, related to sex, related to the place. Anywhere you stay in India, 28 states and 9 union territories, you have rights to do any job, you can buy any piece of land, you can do the business or whatever you want. There is no one is going to make you in problem. Number 2, right to freedom. What is right to freedom? Right to freedom means related our speech, whatever we want to talk, related our expressions, related education, and related occupation. Whatever you want to study, wherever you want to study, either government school or private school, anywhere in India, it comes same. You have rights, right? No one is making you pressure to work under this condition or you study in this. We have rights, right? We want to go there. Then we compare according to the atmosphere and the budget of our family. What is the budget? Then we decide, right? Same way we related the occupation, right? You may be having a hobby, right, students? All have a hobby. I want to become like this, I want to like this and this and this. In that hobby, what you want to become, you have to write the examination and you can get the job anywhere in India, right? So there is no particular that you belong to Uttar Pradesh and you cannot get job in West Bengal. There is no scheme like that. So dear students, try to understand that right to freedom whatever we speak, whatever we express, we are totally, whether the further they accept or not, that is a different thing. But we have freedom for expressions of our speech. And number 3, very, very important, right to freedom of religion. Right? You are born in any religion, right? So you follow that religion. But sometimes what happens when we go to the abroad, especially I tell you about America and about the England, right? There we may follow some customs to get the benefit of that country, right? So sometimes some rare cases are happening, people are changing the religion in that abroad. But when we are talking of religion in Hindu, I have given the symbols over here, right? This is the Christianity we have made, and they are following the Bible, right? They are following the Bible. So this is the holy book for the Christianity. Then we have made swastik, Hindu, right? Sometimes they will write it as Om, and they may follow Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita may be followed, they have to read it, right? So they will read it over like that. And at the third, we are having here Muslim, right? Quran. So Quran is also like that. Okay. So all the books we will be showing over you, and all the religions, they have their holy books to talk about that. Now, when we are talking of the religions, we may have worships, right? Like Hindus, they go to the temple, Christians, they go to the church, and Muslims, they go to the mosque. There will be one father, one imam, or one pandit will be there. You have totally rights to pay the taxes. There is no one who can talk about to that taxes cannot be paid. We have full freedom, whatever we pay according to our purpose in the religion's matter. No government or no one can stop about it. Now, there is a new religion, or I mean it may be new to you. You should know what is religion of Parsi. Right? It is the religion of Parsi. I wanted to ask you, what is the contribution of Parsi? Where it is? This is a question. This is just a homework task for you. Find it out. Where this Parsi religion, what is their importance? In my next lecture, I am going to explain you. But you must try to find it out. I will ask you one by one, anyone, right on the spot, where they belong and what is their purpose. Who are the people in India? Right? When we are talking of right against exploitation. So this is a labor who is working in our house, a maid who is working in our house, or the people who are working in any factory, we are not paying according to the norms. That is exploitation. Or in the factories of crackers, as you know, in the restaurants, you are making the children to work, cleaning the plates, or any type of work, that is also comes under the child labor, which is not allowed. Below the age of 15 years is a child labor. Now, there are different societies and different NGOs are working, so they should not work, right? Further, you will be understanding when I give you the notes what number is being promoted for this. Police have given a particular number, right? Then we are going with the cultural and education rights, right? Related, there are different sectors. I am very good in acting, you may be very good in dancing, some may be very good in singing. So those people, you are totally free to choose your cultural activities or go to anywhere where you want to learn example, right? I have given you one name here, Bartender Natak Academy, right? So there are many different societies are there who help you to make yourself whatever the things you are having inside related, you are going. So different dance form of pattern will come. Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, so many things will come up over there. So everyone has right. That doesn't mean that you are from this place or this state, you cannot choose another. You can choose over there. And here we go with the rights to constitutional remedies. That means if anything is happened against you, you have rights to move to the court related your fight. you have rights, right? You cannot wait for the moment, the judgment, if any internal matter has taken place in your family or anywhere, right? Any type of fight has taken. We have government courts. There are three types of courts. So first you will be going to the district court. If the case dismiss over there is fine, otherwise we knock the door of the high court, and there also not, then we go to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court decision is the final, and overall court president is overall in charge, right? So this is recently in the constitutions we have Article 370 and triple talaq was there. Triple talaq in the olden days, whatever the Muslim religion, under that religion, right, any person says talaq, 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 the woman will be given talaq, right? That's a divorce. But now that amendment has been removed. It cannot be done by the phone or video. All the things has to be taken care by the court, and this will be given. I have given you one more work, CAA. Now, Citizen Amendment Act, right? This is going to confine by you. You must know what is CAA, who has made implemented. I just want to make you sure you must do this homework for me. At least till that time, I just want to say, work is worship. You must work. Do not sit idle. Work for that. This is very, very interesting under this study. Thank you so much. Take care. Drink enough water. Take fresh juice. Thank you.